If you're here, it's probably because you're trying to figure something out. Maybe faith, maybe money, maybe what's next, or maybe all of the above. And before I even explain what this channel is about, I want to explain why I'm even here in the first place. I'm a mom, I'm a single mom. I'm also an introvert, and I don't love social media. I don't chase trends, and the only reason I show up online, the only reason why you're even seeing my face to begin with, is because, well, Father insisted. I share and teach what I've learned since He delivered me from my Exodus season. That's really it. That's why I'm here. For the last 4 years, I've had to figure out how to build an income, how to feed and house myself and my son around real life, real responsibilities, and real limitations. I've learned how to create digital products, build a sustainable income, and most importantly, I learned how to do it eventually without burning out, spending thousands on courses and products, chasing trends, running ads, and yes, how to leverage Pinterest, which is my favorite platform, for free. I've learned how to bring in traffic without living on my phone every single day. And because I needed something that actually worked for me and that could work for you as well, I teach and share based on my experience, knowledge, and my wisdom, not theory. I'm not here to sell you a pipe dream. I'm not here to tell you that if you buy a product from me, you're going to immediately go viral or you're going to start making six figures in like a month. No, that's not how it worked for me. So I can't guarantee that's going to work for you. So here on this channel, you're going to find simple digital income ideas that fit into real life and you can align to your life. Guidance on creating digital products without tech overwhelm, because your sister here ain't techie at all. And ways to bring in traffic quietly, especially through free platforms like Pinterest. And you're also going to find scripture-based encouragement on my weekly podcast. So yes, I am an ordained minister, but preaching was never my calling, testifying is. This is not a channel promising fast results or easy money. Just because you watched a video or maybe just because you bought a product. No, this is going to take work. This is going to take time. You're going to have to lay down foundation. It takes creating a formula that actually will align with you. What He did for me, He can also do for you. If you're starting again or starting differently, you're in the right place. You don't need a rush. You don't need to compare yourself to others. What Father has for you is for you. I'm just here to remind you of the gifts and blessings God already blessed you with. And to be that woman I needed during the start and middle of my journey. Oh, and if you haven't liked and subscribed already, hit that like button, okay? That is it. God bless. Stay loyal, stay faithful, and bye.